Hi, my name is Austin. I'm a service advisor here at Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown. We're just going to walk you through your entry process into our service drive today. You're going to pull right up to the service drive. One of our valets will welcome you. Hey, what are you coming in for today? Service B. All right, let me get you checked in. As part of your entry process, we do an initial inspection of the exterior of the vehicle just to make sure there are no issues. While we do our inspection, we have complimentary snacks and coffee and water so that you can enjoy a few moments of peace while we go over your car. For the safety and cleanliness of your car, we provide protection to your interior so that everything's okay when you come to pick up. You'll come over to my desk, we'll sit down, and we'll go over all the work being done on your vehicle. Follow me over to our waiting room. While you wait in our waiting room, we have milk and creamer, snacks, coffee, a cappuccino machine, while you enjoy our TV. We have our expert express technicians that'll perform any inspections, oil changes, and tire services that you require. After your service, you'll walk up, our cashiers will bill you out in a timely fashion so we can get you onto your day. In an hour to 2 hours, depending on services, your car will be finished with our express team. It'll be dropped off at wash to be cleaned and sanitized and pulled up by one of our valets. Again, my name is Austin. I just want to thank you for coming in today and choosing us for your service experience.